Construction, $50,000 to $100,000. Award of Excellence to Lloyd's Landscaping Limited for Rouge Valley View. Highlights of this project include the built-in barbecue with storage area, a wood-burning fire pit with wraparound seating wall. Zen Construction, Green Meadow Drive. The front of this site was blank canvas, but in back, existing structures and pool needed to be strategically incorporated. Let's head over to the farm. Put your hands together for Earth Art Landscapes Incorporated for Farm Retreat. D.A. Gracey Associates for Rosedale Urban Oasis. Drainage on this site was very important. A pea gravel side area was created for on-site canine companion. That means it was an outdoor area for the dog. Royal Stone Landscaping and Design Limited for the old and the new. Yeah, I like hearing the rounds of applause. Let's go. The homeowner wanted to keep this kiddie pool but redo everything else. New interlock was installed around the pool to match the composite deck. And again to Royal Stone Landscape and Design Limited for Perfectly Aligned. Key features included exposed aggregative, finished driveway, and white cement trowel finish concrete landings. Kreative Woodworking for Charming. Yeah! The homeowners wanted a very low-maintenance, relaxing space that effectively used their long and irregular shaped yard. And a second award to Kreative Woodworking again for Country Feel. Key features of the pavilion included tongue and groove knotty cedar with custom ceiling and dress posts. Congratulations to AquaSpa Pool and Landscape Design for the perfect addition. A simple pool with matching patio was installed along with an elongating water feature wall. And another one goes to AquaSpa Pool and Landscape Design for Free Flow. Deck jets were installed in the interlock patio to create water movement in 3 different areas of the pool. Yards Unlimited Landscape Incorporated for Courtyard Sanctuary. Yeah. Shorter stone boners with linear colors define each space in a juxtaposition to taller outside walls. Cedar Spring Landscape Group for Scenic Drive Project. This front landscape revamp featured natural stone walls built to match the home, stone gate, columns, and custom-built gate. Urban Garden, backyard curves. The curves of the landscape provide a warm and natural feel, while the glass railing, composite decking provide a modern touch. Wentworth Landscapes for modern lines on the water. This waterfall project, located directly on the urban sand beach, frames a new home with compelling modern lines and building finishes. Gotta have the red car. Nice. Look at that view. Cypress Hill Design and Build for a backyard destination. The water features a custom 2-tier steel basin with fusion welded stainless steel liners. ME Contracting for Ridley. Yeah, this backyard landscape project is centered around the concrete patio and has an additional element of sod between the slabs. Griffith Property Services Limited for Decked Out. A composite wooden deck replaced an old one. An aluminum railing and under the deck aluminum post covers give the space some design flair. And again to Griffith Property Services Limited for the perfect fit. Weathered Owen Sound buff stone was used in the pillars and walls to match the home. A heated driveway minimizes maintenance. Paradisaic Building Group for the Weatherby residents. The design incorporates 3 main areas: dining area with interesting floor patterns, a built-in barbecue area, a hot tub area with a clear views right to the pool. Planit Green Landscapes. Put your hands together, the green residents. The existing concrete pool and pool shed had to stay, but were incorporated in this new modernized yard. And again to Planit Green Landscapes for the Santini residents. Elevation was a huge concern, so the yard was built in different levels to create zones. Everyone, put your hands together and welcome all winners to the stage from $50,000 to $100,000 residential construction category.